Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about question words, specifically who, which asks about people, who identifies persons and always starts questions about human subjects, who asks about people and identifies specific persons. Every who question starts with the word who. It helps us find out exactly which person we want to know about. Here are simple who questions. Who is your teacher asks about a person's teacher. Who is at the door asks about the person standing outside. Both questions seek person identification. Who do you like asks about someone's preferred person. Who called you asks about the person who telephoned. These questions follow the same who pattern for people. Who questions have two structures. Subject questions use who plus main verb like who likes ice cream. Object questions use who plus helping verb do or does plus subject like who do you like. Subject questions like who lives here and who called need no helping verb. Object questions like who did you see and who does she know use do or does plus subject. This distinguishes question types. Practice these who questions. Who is your best friend asks about closest relationships. Who lives next door asks about neighbors. Who won the game asks about competition victors. You mastered who questions. Use who to ask about people always. Who is coming to the party asks about party guests. Who helped you yesterday asks about assistance received.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.